Hello and welcome back to TFB. We have a new box and it's from Mini GT. We are in the second week of May right now, and May is turning out to be something super exciting for Mini GT. For example, just this morning, Mini GT opened the new pre orders for this week, and I think it's absolutely stunning, right? We usually see some recolors here and there, but everything from today's drop is so good that you just want to pre-order everything. That's how good it is. But this one is going to be about the first drop of the month of May. The second reason why this month is going to be so exciting for Mini GT is because, well, MDX is happening, and we are going to be bringing you all the info from MDX as well. But let's just see what has come out, apart from the confetti, of course. Always such a nice sense of occasion, right? This confetti creates. Right then, let's get on with it. The first one is going to be a Chevrolet Corvette Z06 GT3R number 13. This is another one from IMSA. This is from the 2025 season, from the Daytona 24 hours race to be specific. The next is the Ford Mustang Convertible from 1964. Now, this one is a super exciting one. We've seen the old Mustangs from Mini GT, the 60s Mustangs, and now this is in a convertible form. So this is something that I will definitely unbox and give you a closer look of. But this one I am definitely excited about. I've seen the prototype of it and it looks stunning. What's next? The i20. This is another good one, especially the color combo. It just looks so good and so relatable in a way. So this is the i20 and Rally, the Rally version, of course. This is from the 2023 Rally Croatia Power Stage winner. What is next? Okay, we have a Liberty Walk, and this is going to be the Super Silhouette Silvia S15. This is the number 555 Mini GT Liberty Walk 2025 Formula Drift. So this is the Team Mini GT Drift. So you might have seen a lot of posts about the actual car on Mini GT's own page, because this is, like I said, the Mini GT Liberty Walk team from the Formula Drift, and super excited to check this one out. I'm guessing this is going to be like nice blue chrome with plenty of decals on it and those contrasting wheels. So this is another unboxing that we have to do. What else? The favorite one, the yellow Corvette Z06, again from IMSA. This is again from the 24 hours of Daytona. This is by the Pratt Miller Motorsports successful team, and this one is from the 2025 Daytona 24 hours race. So two IMSA Corvettes is what we've got in this drop. What's next? Okay, so that's the Ford Mustang, another IMSA highlight. This is from the 2024 IMSA Daytona 24 hours. This is the Ford Motorsports. This is a very sought after livery and a sought after car. Excited to check out that spoiler. Let's see how that is going to be. What else? Oh, Glen Chou's car. This is the Hyundai Ioniq 5N. Saw the real car just last year. We were speaking about the MDX right at the start of this video, right? So just last year at the cruise drive that they did a week before the MDX 2025, they showcased this car over there. And earlier in 2025 is where it debuted at the Tokyo Auto Salon. So this car is massive in its real form. The Ioniq 5, it's already launched in India, right? You've seen the Ioniq 5. It looks like a hatchback in its silhouette, but it's a rather large car. And Mini GT, of course, will stick true to the scale. So I'm guessing this casting is also going to be quite sizable. So we'll check that out in the unboxing video that we do. But this is the Ioniq 5N, and you should definitely get this. In fact, I want the blister version of it whenever it drops, because the blister looks rather cool because it was launched at the Tokyo Auto Salon. They have the Mount Fuji on it. They've got a really nice artwork going, a bit of Korea, a bit of Japan, because Korean car and Tokyo Auto Salon being the Japanese show, they have done a bit of a mix of those two elements on the blister. So that is one that I'm definitely excited to sort of get in my collection. But yeah, that's that. Let me see if there is anything else. I'm guessing the box is empty now. Okay, that's all, folks. That's all that we have from this month's drop, or rather this week's drop. I'm guessing there are going to be more. So there we go. That's what this week's drop looks like. We've got a couple of Mustangs, a couple of Koreans, and we've got three IMSA racers, and we've got that Super Silhouette Silvia. So that is what wraps up the 7-car drop of this week. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Like I said, exciting month for Mini GT. The MDX is going to get underway a couple of weeks from now, and there are some big announcements for the MDX that are also coming. There is, of course, the Fast and Furious lineup, which they'll be showing. There will be a dinner exclusive, which everyone is sort of speculating could be the Han RX-7 from Waleside. Then Brian O'Connor's brother is going to be one of the guests as well. So I'm sure they will be doing something around Brian O'Connor as well. So Paul Walker's brother, he is going to be there. So that is going to be something nice and maybe something emotional as well. And they are doing the Mini GT Give charity car as well, which again everyone is sort of speculating is going to be a Taycan. But you can stay tuned to TFB because we will be dropping all the news. We will be bringing you all those previews, let's put it that way, if we can, or at least from the event, we'll be showing you what Mini GT is showcasing, and there'll be tons of other news and exciting content that we will bring to you from the 2026. So stay tuned, and don't forget to tell us which one out of this drop that you see in front of you right now do you want to see next in an unboxing video, and which one are you most excited about. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and happy collecting.